In this video, I'm going to show you how to create transparent text in CapCut. First, open CapCut and create new project. Import your video and add it to the track. Move the playhead anywhere in the video layer and select Freeze. Delete the base video layer and just leave the freeze layer. Increase the duration of the freeze layer by dragging its edges. Now, go to Video, go down to Canvas, select Color, and pick Black. Then go back at the top and make the scale to 26%. Now drag the video completely outside the preview player. Go to text and add it on the track. Adjust its duration by dragging the edges of the layer. Now write anything you want. Resize it using the font size slider. Click bold. Make adjustment to your liking. After that, highlight the two layers and create a compound clip. Now, let's add our based video. Put the compound clip above your based video. Move the edges of the base video layer to match the duration of the text. Then go to Video, under Blend, select the mode Overlay. Adjust the opacity to your design. Preview your video to see the result. Once you're happy with the result, export your video. And that's it. You've successfully created transparent text in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!